seat. See, this is how it's supposed to be. Alright, that's the second piece of the size. Now, this one ain't straight. Yep, that's good. That's good enough. Oh, I forgot to flush it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got a seat. Yeah, I just made the seat for it. As you watch my other video, I was complaining about my legs getting sore. So I finally have a chance to make a frame and a seat. Well, I bought the seat, but the frame I made it took me actually it took me almost a day, because I don't have the right equipment to cut, so it took me a little bit longer. I mean, it looked not bad, decent. So I make this bracket right here for my tail light. It used to be on the bottom, but it's now on the top, so people can see me better. Tell you the truth, I really like it. It's more comfortable. I have the handlebar just right at the just more at the right setting. The seat is really comfortable, except you run over a bump, it would bounce. It would bounce because it's kind of spring, but it's comfortable. I mean, if I don't like it, I can always take it out and raise the handlebar back to its normal position, and I can stand, I can stand riding. Yeah, so far I like it, really comfortable. Yeah, as you know me, I would go 20, 30, 40 miles every time I ride. So, because when I stand, it would take me about 10 miles before I can feel soreness in my leg. There you go. I said I was gonna make a seat frame. I really like the design. I designed that myself too. As you can see, I got my little speaker right here, just Velcro to the side. And this comes in handy too, if I could put my lock right here. Alright, just tell me what you guys think. Comment below. Now, let's go for a ride. I feel the seat, oh, so comfortable. I do miss standing, riding, just standing, but if I miss that, I can always take the seat out, like I said, and raise the handlebar back to its normal position. But right now, I'm liking it. It feels much faster. Hey. Can I join your crew or what? Yeah. I don't know, when you sit lower, even if you go, say, 30 miles per hour, it felt way faster. When I was standing and the handlebar was, on the same position, on its original, it felt slow when you're standing, especially 30 miles per hour. But now, 30 miles per hour sitting down, it felt much faster. I think I can go like maybe 63, 64, just sitting down. Oh, I got people in front of me. Thank you. Oh, it feels so nice to sit. Check out. Oh, no car. Oh, can I go? Woo-wee. Oh, yes. Guess I finally have time. Well, I was gonna say, I've been complaining about my foot hurt, but I just haven't get time to. I finally have time this weekend, so I went bought myself a 4x4 sheet metal plate, about 10 gauge thick, and then I just, you know, look at the voromotor seat that they made for the Whoop GT, and I just kind of look at that and then go with my own ideas. I really like it. Only thing, if I could have welded a little better, because I use a stick welding, so it's not quite that, like professional. But once you paint it, you can't really, unless you look up close, and then you can't really tell a difference. Woohoo! Oh wow! If you haven't get your seat for the Wolf King GT, make sure you do. It feels so comfortable. Felt like my ass is on a sleeping mattress. What you call those? Oh, the seat is really comfortable too. I got this seat at electricscooterparts.com. Whew, Bentley. I'm gonna waste this Bentley watch. Woohoo! You're like, damn, that guy's gone. More stable too. I feel it's more stable when you sit down. Catherine? No, it don't look like Catherine. Oh yeah, you can feel the difference when you sit down and going fast. I was actually in 4th gear. Taking a break. You see the light in the back? Maybe later on I'll cover this up, make a little compartment. I can store my stuff in there. And maybe I'll make a bracket for the little luggage. Ooh, that look nice. Yeah, I think I got this Home Depot. Have probably like an inch. My little subwoofer, little stereo. Oh, let's see. Okay, that's nice. All right, let's go. You see my leg. Both leg kind of a little bit tippy toe, but I don't want it too low, then it be so I want people to see me. I don't want to be too high, then it look weird like the one on voromotor, the seat. Look like you sit up on freaking 5-foot chair or something. Let's take off. One thing you having a seat is when you go slow, you can sit. Your legs not hurting. Like if you were going slow standing, your leg hurt.